Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type C: and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space System32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space C:/. Now type this command. cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib C: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: / boot /bcd space bcd.olg. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.